Hi guys, today I'm gonna compare the 4 most popular smart light bulbs and check out which one is the best choice. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, it gives me so much motivation. Let's take a look. The first smart light bulb is from yeelight. It's the cheapest light of the list. The newest cost about $25, but you can find older models for around $18. Now let's take a look at the app. Now we are in the app. Here you see the rooms. Inside the rooms you can place the lights and you can control the lights. It has scenes, you can choose all sorts of white colors. You can choose normal colors. There is a flow mode, but I don't know why this is. And here are some scenes. Flash notify, birthday party, tea time. The next light is from Lifx. It costs $45 and it has 800 lumens. It requires no hub, just like the yeelight. But there's also a Lifx bulb for $60 that has 1100 lumens. Now you're in the app. You can select new device, then click on the arrow, select your Lifx bulb, select your home, and the device will automatically pair. It has support for Apple HomeKit. Now it's pairing the device. Here you can scan the HomeKit code. Setup is complete. You can click on the arrow, select the home you want it to be in. Select the room you want it to be in. And now you can give your lamp a name. You can choose things like living, but you can also choose another name like cozy seats or cozy or sofa. I call it sofa. Congratulations! Now your device is paired. Now you can control the device with the app. You can choose the white color and of course the normal color. You can also select scenes. Or normal colors. This was it. You can also select the brightness and turn off the lights. The third light is from Philips Hue. It costs about $50, it requires a hub of $60, and it has 800 lumens. What I really like about Philips Hue is the accessories. There are buttons and sensors. You don't really need to use a hub. You can use 10 lights with Bluetooth, but you can't use smart assistants, so I would buy the hub. Here you see the light. In the app, you can select a room and then you can see the lights. You can choose one light, select the white color or the normal color, select the brightness, you can also select the whole room. You can set a scene, or you can select all the lights on one color wheel. This is really handy and is the best experience of all the apps. There are routines, the last light is from Ikea. It costs $30, it requires a hub of $40, and it has only 600 lumens. I'm sorry, but I don't have the color light, I only have a spot. Just like Philips Hue, Ikea has accessories. It also needs a hub, but you can connect not to Bluetooth, but you can connect the lights to your remote controller. But I recommend the hub. So if we compare all the lights work with Apple HomeKit, Amazon Alexa and Google Home. The easiest setup is from Philips Hue, then Lifx, then Ikea and then yeelight. But I think the overall winner is yeelight. The light works as good as the rest for half the price. If you really need much lumens, you should go with the Lifx $60 bulb with 1100 lumens. And if you want the easiest setup and lots of accessories, you should go with Philips Hue. I think Ikea is the best for cheap light and cheap accessories. This was the comparison. I hope you liked. Please leave a like and subscribe. And leave a comment in the comment section down below. It will really help me. Bye.